Now for major, minor, augmented, and diminished chords, the way these work, they're going to give you a starting note. I'm going to use F. Now we're going to again use our pattern of whole, whole, half, whole to find these out. So that is the pattern for major, to find a major chord. Now for minor, let's start with major. So F, A, C would be a major chord because it uses the pattern. To make it minor, I make this middle note a half step lower. Now, this is where it gets weird. If I had, let's say I had this one. This is major. A D major chord has an F sharp in the middle. If I wanted to make that one minor, I would get rid of the sharp, and then it's minor. But with one that's already a white key, like the F chord, to make it minor, you lower a half step and make it a flat. So it all depends on what the middle note already is. You just make it lower. If it's sharp, it goes natural. If it's natural, it goes flat. Now for the diminished chord, you take, let's go for major. So here's major again. To make diminished, you lower the middle note and you lower the top note, and that's diminished. Now, if I had something like B major has a B, D sharp, and an F sharp in it. So if I was doing diminished, I'm going to lower the fifth note, get rid of the sharp, and I'm going to lower the third note and get rid of the sharp. So a B diminished chord actually is all white keys, B, D, F. Now for augmented, this is where it gets a little crazy. For augmented, you take a major chord and you take the top note and you raise it a half step higher. So major to minor, you lower the middle note. Major to diminished, you lower the middle and the top note. Major to augmented, you raise up the top note.